Welcome to my channel. Today, I want to show you something strange. Something so small, so simple, and so fast. But it can change the way you speak English in just 5 minutes a day. Most people ignore this, but the people who try it, they see results they never expected. So let's start right now, because the secret is too powerful to wait. Chapter 1: The 5-minute shift. Let's begin with something very honest. Most people think they need long study hours to speak English well. They think they need big books, long lessons, or heavy grammar. But here's the surprising part. Your brain learns faster from small moments, not long ones. And this 5-minute practice is the best example of that. Think about this. Every day, we lose so much time doing nothing, waiting for food, waiting in traffic, scrolling on our phone. But just 5 minutes of focused practice can change more than 1 hour of passive learning. It sounds unbelievable at first, but stay with me because you will see why. Here's something most learners never notice. The brain remembers what we repeat daily, not what we study once a week. That's why the 5-minute method works like magic. It builds a rhythm, it builds a habit, and slowly your English becomes a natural part of you. This small habit is the engine of everything we will do in this video. But here's the emotional part. When you practice for only 5 minutes, you feel proud, not tired. You feel progress, not stress. And because it's easy, you actually stay consistent. No pressure, no fear, just simple steps. And that leads us to the surprising technique that makes those 5 minutes powerful. A technique most English learners have never tried. A technique that doesn't need grammar, books, or long lessons. It's called shadowing. And once you understand it, you will never practice English the same way again. Chapter 2: What shadowing really is. So, what is shadowing? Many people hear the word and think it sounds complicated, but the truth is the complete opposite. Shadowing simply means you listen to someone speak English and you copy them at the same time, like a shadow. Simple, fast, natural. But here's the strange part. This simple technique trains your brain in many ways at once: listening, speaking, rhythm, pronunciation, even confidence. You train everything in one small moment. It's like pressing 5 buttons with one finger. Most people never notice this, but when you listen and speak at the same time, your brain enters a powerful learning state. It wakes up, it works harder, it focuses deeply, and that deep focus builds real fluency. Let me show you something interesting. When you shadow, you don't think about grammar, you don't think about rules, you don't think about perfect words. You just flow. And that flow is the natural speed of real conversation. This is why many learners feel something surprising after just one session. They speak faster, they sound clearer, they understand more. Not because they learn new words, but because their brain finally starts to move with English. And here's what changed everything for me and for thousands of learners. Once you feel that flow, even for 20 seconds, you want more. You feel something alive inside your English. But shadowing only works if you do it correctly, and most people do it wrong. So let me show you the right way. Chapter 3: How to do shadowing the right way. Let's break this into simple, friendly steps. No pressure, no big rules, just clear action. Step 1: Choose a short audio. It can be from a movie, a YouTube video, a podcast, or even a short speech. It doesn't matter. What matters is this: it should be easy enough to follow, but interesting enough to enjoy. Most people pick something too difficult. That's the first mistake. Step 2: Listen once. Just listen. Don't speak yet. Let your brain hear the rhythm, the tone, the feeling. Most learners skip this moment, but it prepares your mind. Step 3. Shadow it. Now play the audio again and speak at the same time. Even if you're not perfect, even if you miss words, even if you feel slow, shadowing is about movement, not perfection. And here's something few people know. Your mouth learns faster than your memory. Even if you don't understand every word, your speaking muscles get stronger every second. That's why shadowing feels powerful so quickly. Step 4. Repeat it 2, 3 times. Not 10 times, not 50 times. Just a few repetitions. Progress happens fast because shadowing activates your listening brain, your speaking voice, and your confidence all at once. But here's the best part. After you shadow correctly for a few days, something strange happens, something that feels almost magical. And this moment begins around day 3. Chapter 4. What happens after 3 days? By day 3, you start to notice something unusual. Your mouth moves faster. Your tongue feels lighter. English words start to flow before you think about them. For the first time, you feel your brain catching English, not chasing it. Most people are shocked when this happens. They say, "How is this possible in 3 days?" But the reason is simple. Shadowing forces your brain to stay active. Not quiet, not passive, active. And here's the part most learners never see coming. You begin to understand English sounds that used to feel too fast. Your ears tune in, your mind relaxes, you hear what you never heard before. But the most emotional moment is this. You start believing in yourself. You start feeling, yes, I can do this. Not someday, not in 3 years. Right now, that new belief is the real transformation. But day 3 is only the warm up, because something even bigger happens around day 7. And this change is so powerful that many learners say it feels like crossing a line between I'm learning English and I am an English speaker. Let's talk about that. Chapter 5. The 7-Day Transformation. By day 7, something incredible happens. Your brain begins to speak English automatically. Your mouth starts moving with less effort. Your sentences come out faster, almost like your voice already knows the path. It feels strange, but in a good way, like your brain has unlocked a new mode. And here's the crazy part. You don't see the change at first. You feel it. You notice your confidence growing, your fear shrinking, your rhythm becoming smoother, your voice sounding more natural. Most learners say, I didn't learn new English in 7 days. I unlocked the English I already had. This is why shadowing works. It takes the English inside your mind and pulls it out into your voice. And it does this without long lessons, heavy grammar, or hard vocabulary. But there's a problem, a big problem. Most people never reach day 7, not because it's difficult, but because they quit too early. And the reason they quit is simple. Let's talk about the real challenge and how you will beat it. Chapter 6. Why most people quit and how you won't. Here is the truth nobody talks about. Most people quit because they expect perfection. They think every shadowing session must be perfect. Every sentence must be clean. Every word must be clear. And when it's not, they feel disappointed. But here's the secret. Shadowing is not supposed to be perfect. It's supposed to be messy, fast, emotional, alive. It's practice, not a performance. The second reason people quit is fear. Fear of speaking out loud, fear of sounding wrong, fear of making mistakes. But shadowing destroys that fear. Every time you speak with the audio, your voice feels safer, stronger, braver. And here's the most important part. You don't have to practice for 30 minutes. You don't need an English partner. You don't need a perfect accent. You only need 5 minutes a day. Just 5 minutes. If you stay with this habit for 1 week, your English will change. If you continue for 1 month, you won't even remember the old you. Right now, at this moment, you are holding something powerful, a simple method that works for anyone, anywhere, with any level. And now, it's your turn to use it. If you want more simple and powerful English practice like this, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment below. I'm starting today. Your comment tells me you're ready, and I'll guide you every step of the way.